AIDA is a leisurecraft design tool which uses artificial intelligence techniques to produce yacht concept designs. It all starts from the interface, where the customer sets up the size and accommodation capacity of his yacht. From regression, the program then figures out what are the acceptable yacht dimension ranges according to the customer requirements. A default hull form is also selected. A seakeeping model is then created, and once it is completed, the hull seakeeping optimization takes place. Once that's done, the hull form is ready. Lloyd's requirements are then applied. The hull is then optimized for structures and layout. This way, design proposals are created, and the superstructure aesthetics module then starts to create different superstructure designs. The superstructure's layout is then optimized, and the final design is produced. The customer can make his choices depending on his preferences, including the type of boat, length, and the number of cabins. The customer is also asked to add contact details and type a message in case of more specific comments needed to be made. AIDA uses multi-objective genetic algorithms to design yachts that are optimized by minimizing motion sickness as well as minimizing structural weight while being in line with the SSC rule set. The layout of the yacht is optimized against minimizing wasted space, keeping the cabins equally sized as well as maintaining the transverse center of buoyancy and transverse center of gravity locations at the same point. AIDA also uses image processing techniques to comprehend the shape of the superstructure of yachts from real-life images and applies them to the design. The customer is notified via email daily of the designs that are produced. The customer then rates his preferred designs by replying to the email, which are then re-input into the optimization process. This way, eventually the customer will obtain his desired yacht design. I wanted to show that applying concurrent engineering techniques in yacht design is a field that has great prospects. One could say that by creating a tool like that we sabotage ourselves as naval architects, but the truth is that as AlphaGo open new highways in plain Go, AIDA can help us develop different perspective and clearer understanding of yacht design.